Hello friend, life was going as usual in Morocco. A earthquake of measuring 6.8 and Richter scale disturbed the whole life of Morocco. The sea, this very heartbreaking videos footage are clearly indicating the loss of lives as per current situation. It is assuming that more than 300 people has been killed in this earthquake and the number can be increased. Just see these damaged buildings, collapsed cars, everything. People are walking over the debris of this earthquake. We humans are responsible for all these calamities, what is happening nowadays again and again in our life cycle. We have to think about it.